Nation? This is your girl Vana Supernova. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the first weigh-in Wednesday. It's my first weigh-in of the year actually. I haven't done a weigh-in. I haven't even looked at the scale, so I don't know what I'm gonna see, and I'm nervous. Even though I'm nervous, this is a long time coming, so let's just get into it. My heart's in the sky, supernova. All right, beautiful people, so I'm about to hop on the scale, but before I do, let me just go ahead and overview what happened. So last year, we already know the illness happened, and we were quarantined for months and months and months and months, and your girl ate and ate and ate and ate. Let's just say I know what I'm gonna see. Like, low-key, I know myself, and I know the number I'm thinking it might be, and I feel like I've manifested this number already. I'm just prepared to accept the fact that your girl just gained. I know I've gained. The clothes ain't fitting the same. Shout out to Keisha for these beautiful leggings. Yes, this is premium leggings. But no, in all seriousness, let's just jump into the numbers. Alrighty, so I'm hopping on the scale. And whoop, there it is, 245.2. Womp, womp, womp. Alrighty, so you've seen the numbers. I'm at 245.2 currently. That is also going to be my starting weight for 2021 and my goal weight as of right now, and yes, I'll announce it in a different video as well, is 199. That's just my first goal. That's not my final goal, but it's something that I can see myself attaining before the end of the year. So that is the goal for now. As of right now, the total weight loss is 0 because I haven't even started yet. So I'm starting from here, and every week, or at least bi-weekly, I'll be posting my weigh-ins right here on my channel. So if you're interested in joining the journey, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you know exactly when I'm posting. Many of you have reached out to me on IG, but if you would like to join me, leave a comment down below. In the coming days, I will detail my diet, I will detail my workout routine, and I'll share everything with you guys. I plan on being so transparent with this journey because I know I'm gonna hit 199. I just know I will. And I want all of it to be documented. I've been on YouTube for years, and since my channel's conception, I've been on a weight loss journey. Even when I've reached goals, I'm still on a journey because this is a lifestyle change. And while I know this is my umpteenth time trying, I'm gonna keep trying until I get where I wanna be. Ain't that the point? Nobody's perfect, including you, girl. But that's no excuse not to start. So we're starting today, we're starting now, no more excuses. Your girl's going to be at boot camp, the gym, tomorrow. I'm also going to be walking a mile a day, but all of this will be detailed in a separate video. This video focuses on my weigh-in. So thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it here. If you enjoy weight loss videos just like this one, please leave a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. You never know, you may help someone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.